Starting a Google Jamboard is super easy. All you do, you can get to it through a few different places. I usually get to Google stuff through my waffle menu right up here. There's other ways to do it. You can just Google it if you want, but you'll see Jamboard. It looks very similar to all the other Google apps. There are all the Jamboards you've created. Okay, you can simply, when you're ready to create a Jamboard, you simply go to Add right here and it will create a new Jamboard. Sorry, it used to be up in the upper left. So it looks a lot like Google Slides. I'll be honest with you. It looks very much like Google Slides. You'll see up here, I only have one board, but you can make more if you want to, like this. Okay, so here is your Jamboard. And let's say you want kids to start right now. You can do anything you want. You can title it up here, of course, My Jamboard. And you can add anything to this slide that you want. You can set the background. Clearing the frame means clear everything that's off of it. You can draw. You can do whatever you want on this Jamboard. But when you are ready to share it so that the kids could also collaborate on it from their device, you click Share right here. And then you click here, Change Link to Midlothian ISD. You got to make sure of that, okay, that it says Midlothian ISD. And then you simply share this link right here with the kids. You hit copy link and you share it with them. You put it somewhere else for them to click on. Sometimes I use bit.ly to make it a shorter link. But anyway, that's the link to your Jamboard. And what I like to do with the kids is I like to tell them I want everybody to, let me show you one of my Jamboards. I put this one up and I share the link with them. And it's just a simple class starter to say, tell me something fabulous. And all I ask them to do, I share the link with them. And this comes up for them, and I ask them to use the sticky note and tell me something fabulous. I got a new dog, and it'll go up there. And as the kids do it, right, the sticky notes will start showing up here, and we get to see each other's and stuff. You got to tell them that, try not to put it over other people's and things like that. But that's a Google Jamboard. You can do so many things with it. Can you imagine asking someone to work a problem for the class, but instead of coming up to the board with a marker, you actually have them do it on the Jamboard and it shows up on your board while they're working on it from their desk. So it's real easy to start a Jamboard. There's a lot of other things you can explore with. Here are the tools here for writing and erasing and stuff like that, adding images and shapes and text boxes. And you can use a laser. This is kind of fun when you're trying to teach something and you go like this, okay? You're trying to bring attention to something. You go like that with the laser. So that's a Jamboard. You can share it. You don't even have to share it. You could use it like Google Slides if you want, but the power is in sharing it so other people can collaborate on it.